Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to use Domain Money. Domain Money is an investment platform designed to simplify wealth management by offering an actively managed portfolio, crypto trading, and financial insights in one place. To use Domain Money via its website, visit the website and create an account by providing your email and personal details and completing identity verification or KYC. Once logged in, you can trade stocks and crypto manually or choose managed portfolios handled by Domain Money experts. The platform provides real-time financial insights, market news, and analytics to help users make informed decisions. To start investing, link your bank account to deposit funds securely. This website also offers a social feed for market discussions and expert insights. While Domain Money offers a user-friendly platform with managed portfolios and real-time insights, it has some drawbacks. The platform is limited to US users, restricting international access. Managed portfolios come with fees which may not be ideal for cost-conscious investors. Overall, Domain Money's website provides a clean and intuitive experience for both active traders and hands-off investors looking for expert managed strategies. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.